A poor boy, tired and hungry, wandered through the village looking for food. He knocked on a door and asked for a glass of water. A kind woman answered, and seeing his weak condition, brought him a big glass of milk instead. The boy drank it, feeling warmth and relief. When he finished, he asked, "How much do I owe you?" The woman smiled and said, "Kindness has no price." The boy thanked her and left, never forgetting her generosity. Years passed, and the boy grew up to become a well-known doctor. One day, the same kind woman became seriously ill and was taken to a big hospital. She needed expensive treatment, but her family couldn't afford it. When the doctor saw her, he immediately recognized her as the woman who had once helped him. Filled with gratitude, he decided to treat her without any charges. When her son received the hospital bill, he was surprised to see a handwritten note, paid in full, with one glass of milk. Tears filled the old woman's eyes as she realized that kindness always returns in unexpected ways. That day, she learned that even the smallest good deed can make a big difference. Moral: a good deed is always rewarded.